Nothing there. I'm glad I stopped. That's bad. It's bad, bro.
Oh, there you go. Just doing a big old wheelie.
All right, guys. What's going on? We got our trailer, taking the bike down to Orange County. All right. You're probably thinking, oh, you're gonna trust your bike with those straps? Yeah. Already did it once with these straps. All right, trailer fell, yes or no?
Careful, baby.
What?
The screen went off.
I have to be honest, if that would have been a trailer fell, that would be pretty embarrassing.
Damn.
Hopefully everything's in there. Hopefully it's good. Got these. Wiggle test seems all right. Whole trailer moves, not the bike. So yeah, man, we're good. We'll keep an eye on it. That is real low, but it's enough clear. It's fine. We drove yesterday over speed bumps and stuff, and it was fine. Give it one last little run over real fast. Let's tie these down. All right, let's go. Away!
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run?
Almost there, pulling in. There's the actual dealer, and then over here for the service department. She's still here. It's a heavy ass gate. Can you hold this? The air feels so much. That's like my emergency in case something. Would have made it for an epic video if I would have dropped it. Got Alex's bike. Look at this thing. Oh yeah, his are just spoiled.
We just got new ones last week.
They're like sick. I'm not really a fan of the single headlight, but it looks good on this one. I like the gas tank. I like look how small it is, like compared, like crazy. I would love to ride one of these. You see it? It's bent. I don't know if it picks up on the camera. Kind of kicks out to the left. Okay. No bueno. Got the quick shifter fixed. The bike's ready to go. I'm excited. I'm gonna ride a little bit, then head back down to town. The quick shifter was bent. They got a new one on. Styling. So I'm gonna take the bike for a spin, see what's up, go ride around, and then get back at it. But yeah, man, OC Motorcycle. Also, they have, if you want a speed triple, they have them on sale. Was it $19,280 out the door? So I mean, that's the place to go in Costa Mesa. OC Motorcycles, $19,200 out the door. You can't really beat that price. That's a really good price. I don't think I've seen them that low anywhere, considering most places out the door about 23. So $19,200 out the door, and they got all the colors. They got the RRs too. I'm not sure what the RR prices are, but yeah, $19,200 out the door. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get my stuff on and I'll catch you in a little bit.
Ready?
Yep. All right, we're gonna go for a little ride here with Alex down the coast. Stopping at gas first. Since we got the trailer, we don't got to worry about being on the bike for fucking 10 hours straight again. It's like I keep forgetting that my quick shifter works now. I keep forgetting I don't need my clutch. God, those blinkers do look nice on that bike. Yeah, we're both gonna get gas and head towards the coast, right along the coast a little bit. So there's a chevron up here. I don't know what direction we're in. I don't know what direction anything is, so I don't even know what direction the coast is. But I do see a sign that says chevron, so there we go. Damn, $185. Oh, he got gum on his tire. You ran over gum. I tried to save his tire. He's gonna get all over his bike. It's alright, it'll come off. It's good. I know, it gets all over your bike. Rude ass people. I got most of it off, you're good. Yeah, it gets all over your bike, it's bad. Go. Yeah. I got most of it off though, it's on my finger, but it'll melt and come off in a minute. Alright, here's the airport. So we were on the back side of the airport, so we did a big circle. We did a huge circle. I got gum on my gloves being in here. My gloves, that shit gets on your bike and fucks up your paint. Oh look, Devin IHOP. Oh, I'm so glad they got my quick shifter fixed. That OC motorcycle is cool as fuck. Like, they really care. Oh yeah, push it to the limits. Limits past the point of no. Dude, I could totally live out here. We're gonna have a house out here. We'll have a house in the mountains. But maybe I should be like those guys. Like, you guys watching need to help me out. I'm fucking tired of working. Subscribe and like. Yeah. Subscribe and like the videos, bro. Share them with your friends. Get me out of my job. Oh, there you go. Just doing a big old wheelie past us. That's cool. I'm lucky if I get wheelies like that. Yeah, there's the coast out there to the left. The coast is out here. Look, we should just buy a trailer and just live in one. We can park places like this, and then when we work, we can park at my dad's house. That guy's living his best life. We're living our best life right now too. We're on motorcycles riding along the beach. Look at that Taco Bell. I wonder what it's like living in here. Like, I mean, you can have this house, but you still have to work for it, you know? Like, you're not just living there for free unless you're living off your parents or something, but... Oh, we're coming up to Huntington Beach, alright. This is where they just had the surf contest, the US Open. I know, they look crazy. These trees look so crazy. They look too crazy to be real, but they're real. Well, birds are fake. Ever seen a baby pigeon? Welcome to Surf City, USA. Locals only, brah. Let me get a shaka, brah. How was it? Totally fucking lame. Okay. It's like, what's his name? John's bike. Doing a little street fair. House is getting us in trouble crossing barricades. The cop said you can't park here on Tuesdays. He said every Tuesday? Shit's funny. He could have been a dick and like given us like a parking ticket or something, but he's like, bro. He said you can't park here on Tuesday. See that sign says no parking on Tuesdays. Alex said every Tuesday? Oh yeah, I guess they just do a street fair down here. I don't know. I'm not from Huntington Beach. Huntington Beach is full of assholes. The cop probably saw us on sport bikes, thought we were going to be assholes. Alright, let's see if I can load this. Is my key close enough? No? My key's inside the car. Is it close enough?
You gonna push?
Yeah, I'll just push it up. Let me put it in neutral first and put the kickstand up. All right, 1, 2, 3. Whoops. Perfecto. It's all right. It's a speed dent.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tie it down real fast. No trailer fails yet. Thank you so much, man.
Alright.
I'll hit you up, bro. Back on the road. What are you doing?
Just a cake with 2 cakes.
Yeah, about to leave right now. Oh my goodness, that was, it's hot. Like, it's not even hot, but it's hot. I'm spoiled already. I'm down here for just a little while. I'm used to the weather. So we got the bike loaded up, spent the day down here, got everything done I wanted to get done. We're heading home now.
Like, if you're getting promotion, like,
I got something to it, but they get to go get stuck in traffic for 3 days.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling.
Oh, I think the bike's loose. Oh yeah. It's like nothing there. I'm glad I stopped. That's bad. Good thing that side was held tight. That would have been fucking horrible. Yeah, bruv. That was bad, bruv. Oh, it was bad. Alright, I finally made it home. I'm fucking tired. The bike made it, finally. It almost didn't. Bro. I just got fucking Charlie horse. the camera shut off because I almost dropped the bike, but I didn't. So the battery came out of the bike, but
Out of the bike?
or the battery came out of the camera. Almost dropped it, but yeah, man, I made it home. We got the quick shifter fixed. Should be nothing wrong with my bike anymore. Damn, man, I'm fucking tired. I almost dropped it again. But yeah, so that's it, man. We made it back. Bike should be good to go. Make sure you guys watch the next video because that's where I'm going to be posting about the flash. So the next video I'm getting my bike flashed, but we made it back from getting everything fixed. Thanks for hanging out. We'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm exhausted. I only got 3 hours of sleep. Only got 3 hours of sleep. I've been up driving since like 6 o'clock this morning. I'm tired. I'm gonna drop this trailer off and come home and go to bed. I gotta work all day tomorrow. Catch you guys on the next one. Watch the next videos on Flash.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.